Hi, I'm Adam Araten. I'm a solo practitioner attorney in the state of New Jersey. I'd say about 90% of my business is real estate, and I have to say I really love doing business with Park Avenue Title. When you call there, everybody's very professional. You have one point of contact that they really know a lot about your file, and you're not dealing with 20 different people over the course of the transaction. You don't know who's responsible for what. There's always somebody who really is on top of everything. They're also very knowledgeable about title issues that come up. I know we're supposed to be the attorneys a lot of times, but a lot of times they know more about title issues than we do. And also, they're kind of a second check on your own process. I had an estate sale, and you're supposed to get an estate questionnaire done and a few certain documents, and they're a second check on it, saying, "Oh, have you gotten this? Have you gotten this? Have you gotten this?" And I'm supposed to be responsible for that, but it's good to have somebody else sort of watching your back, so you aren't getting this at the very, very last minute. The other thing that I like about their sort of attorney-style closing services, which I use all the time, is that they're responsible for doing the HUD, following all the RESPA rules, talking to the mortgage company on the last couple days before the closing, doing all the small stuff that can drive us crazy as attorneys when we're really trying to do other things in the office that are really more legal related than administrative or financial numbers on a sheet. And the other thing that's great about having them be the closing agent and doing those final attorney services is that as a solo, sometimes I'm not around. Not because I don't plan to be around, but things can happen. I had an instance where I had planned a vacation, but as we all know, these loan processes can get delayed, and the closing got pushed halfway into my vacation. Well, I didn't have to delay it until after the vacation and upset the client. Park Avenue Title did the closing for me. I sort of stood by on email just to make sure my client knew I was there and that if they had any questions for me, that I could answer it. But I didn't get any questions. They went through it very, very well. They were very happy. They were happy they closed on time. And this can happen with all kinds of things. You can get sick. You can need to do something with your child, and you can still close on time. You will not upset not only your client, but the seller and other parties and the other attorney. It's a whole domino effect if you don't get these things done on time. So I, as a solo practitioner, would encourage any solo attorney, or if you're in a small firm, to use their attorney closing services because it saves you time, allows you to focus on the legal issues, and can also really save you in a jam